Hi, today I'm gonna be teaching you how to change language on Spotify. It's very pretty easy and you guys can follow these steps which I'm gonna show you in this video on desktop. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do here is go to Spotify and log into your account. And then right here, click the arrow down beside your profile name, the top right corner, and then select settings. And here, as you can see your language settings, you can change it now into the language you want or you prepare. Example like this. And then reload the page. See? So if you want to change it again to English, just select the English right here. And then reload the page again. So that's basically how you change language on Spotify. Thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.